This feels less like a shuttle and more like your own floating living room. Welcome to Puglia, Italy's deep south. Ever since I came here 4 years ago and toured the coastline by boat, I've been bombarded with messages. Gregor, what's that company you used? How can I do the same and see all the gems of the coastline? But here's the thing, that tour company is long gone, no longer exists, but what replaced it is even better. So today, you and I, my sister, and her family are going out with the crew of Mare to take a 3-hour excursion here to show you the coastline and to show you how to do the boat tour in Puglia the right way. And stick around because at the end, I'll show you how this boat tour company stepped up and why you won't find a more peaceful way to see Puglia's secret side. Now, most tourists crowd through the city square, fight their way for a gelato, and jostle to get a peek off the cliffs. But the real view, well, it's behind you. From the boat, you're getting views of limestone cliffs, sea caves, and hidden coves. Trust me, if you come to Polignano Mare, you're gonna want to book yourself on a boat tour. It's well worth the money. You can elbow your way for an Instagram cliff shot or just float your way underneath it with Aperol spritz in hand. It's your choice. We are motoring our way along the seaside here, along the coast. We just passed the stairs with the singer Domenico Modugno, who made the song Volare. Well, he made this town famous. He put it on the map. We saw the Red Bull platform set up. That's where they're going to be doing the cliff dive competition. I think at the end of June. People have spots on the rocks here, sunbathing. Young kids are pedaling their pedal boats, smoking cigarettes. The girls sunbathing in their bikinis. And off in the distance, we get these coves with beaches. Everybody laid out, packed in like sardines, getting some of that warm Italian sun.
Yeah, it's called Abbey of San Vito and was built of fishermen and farmers. Mini castle.
Ah.
Yeah. And
cool. So bam, right here, this is what Domenico's explaining. This is the Abbey of San Vito. My Italian wasn't very good. I didn't recognize the word abbey. We're picking up some food that we're gonna eat out here on the boat here in a minute, but we're getting to look at a 10th century abbey. Quite impressive. I think it's only open on Sundays. What makes it pretty cool is you have all these boats moored here. You have a tower over that way, the Tower of San Vito. Sunbathers. Of course, it wouldn't be Italy without a coffee bar right up there on the edge. And this beautiful piece of architecture right here behind us. Just when you thought the trip couldn't get any better, we had Domenico's mom.
Come ti chiami?
Agata.
Agata, grazie Agata.
Prego.
Agata. Drop off some fresh seafood. While other boat tours cram you in, shoulder to shoulder with strangers and a crackly loudspeaker, Mare goes quiet. Their solar power engine means no engine roar, just sea and stories. We got some cold, fresh seafood here, raw seafood, prosecco, drinks coming up. We're on a 3-hour excursion along the coast. The kids, well, they've been off the bow of the boat, jumping in the water, acting like pirates. My brother-in-law, he's already asking about the cost to buy one of these boats for himself. But the real perk here, peace. No fumes, no engine rumble, just the sounds of waves bouncing off the cliffs. So Captain Domenico thought of it all. We got our big shrimps, small shrimps, red shrimps, pink shrimps, and of course, wouldn't be complete without a spritz. If you think you're just gonna motor along, well, don't worry. The captain will drop anchor near the sea caves. You can jump in the fresh, cool turquoise waters. The water's so clear you can see your own bad life decisions. Yeah, they're floating at the bottom. Bring your swim trunks, a towel, because with the salty air, you're gonna be 10 times more hungry. They should bottle the smell of sea here and sell it as Italian cologne. I'd buy a case. We are rolling out here with the cliffs in the background, and if you're liking this whole seaside here, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, the like button down below. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, click the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos, and you're helping me grow the channel, get the videos out to other travel and food lovers like ourselves. So I had a lot of you asking, why take a boat trip along the coast? Well, I think that's clear already. Now, why Mare Sole? Well, the owners, they've revamped this, new owners. It's been in service for 3 years. It's now out for a month now, and they're excited to get things going. It's Polignano and Mare's first eco-friendly solar panel boat. So you're not getting those fumes, the motor rumble, and you're out here on the sea enjoying it as it should be, silent. Your own mind, thinking about maybe dinner ahead, lunch ahead. And with the update to the boat, well, they also made update to the service on board. You saw we had the fresh seafood, we had spreads, and we had a hell of a time. This feels less like a shuttle and more like your own floating living room. When you got 1 week in Puglia, you can't spend all your time going up and down hilltop villages, in squares, eating orecchiette with cime di rapa, though I wouldn't blame you. You gotta get out here to the sea, get on a boat, see Puglia from the water. So yes, 4 years ago I said a boat tour along the coast is a must, and now it's in new hands, Mare Sole, it's even better. Quiet boat, the coastline, food, friends, it's the best seat in Puglia, period.
Bravo, bravo.
So we've been out at sea, but what about the rest of this region, Puglia? The hilltop villages like Ostuni, the vineyards of Primitivo, all those quiet countrysides, olive groves. So I made another video that you can check out. You can see the quiet side of Italy, why Italians come here when they want peace, and how you can have it yourself. So watch it here next if you want to experience the slow side of Italy.